How to share Spotify Wrapped 2025 on Instagram story. Well, that's what I'm going to show you guys, so let's get started right away. So I'm over here inside of my Instagram, and when I go to Spotify, there is no wrap yet. But so if you cannot see it, by the way, make sure to update your app to the latest version, and then go to your browser, search for Spotify Wrapped 2025, then open it up, and there you go. Now it will actually start playing. Now I'm gonna go all the way to the bottom real quick so I can actually share it. So you have to go all the way to the bottom, and then I believe here, yeah, right here you can actually start sharing. So all you have to do is click on share. Then here in the bottom left corner, you can already see stories. Now, if you don't see it, you might have to click here on more. And then here it might be somewhere. But simply click on stories, and there we go. We can now share it on our story. Let me just quickly share it like that. And it will now start loading. So that is pretty much it. That is how to share Spotify Wrapped 2025 on Instagram story.